But anyway, teka muna, I'd like to say something about yung assuming full and legal responsibility. Hindi sila maliwanag man ang sinasabi ni Presidente. His policy when he was president was he placed on his shoulder the success or failure of the war on drugs. So any consequences arising therefrom, he will assume responsibility. Kaya sabi niya, kung nagkamali yan dahil inutos ko, hindi isama niyo ako sa demanda kasi ako nagutos. But ang problema, hindi yung palaging nakakalimutan, hindi natatandaan, na from the very beginning, yung kanyang utos is predicated on law. What was his utos? I'm declaring war on drugs. Do your jobs as policemen. Arrest them, bring them to jail, and prosecute them. If they resist arrest, then huwag kayong darating ditong bangkay because under the law, you're justified to kill. That is the order of the president. Yun ang palagi nakakalimutan eh. Ang palagi inuulit-ulit nila, I will kill you. You know, when you say, I will kill you, it's not a crime. Ilang ulit niya nang sinabi yan, tinatakot ko lang at maraming nga natakot eh. Right. Number two, pag sinabi niyang, I assume full legal responsibility under the Constitution, the President is tasked to protect the people. Kaya nga sinasabi niya, I did it to protect the people. Pero yung sinasabi niyang war on drugs is predicated on a legal ground. Huwag natin kalilimutan na palagi yung utos niya, arrestuin nyo pag nag-resist. Saka kayo gumamit ng dahas because that is allowed under the law. Eh, ang problema, pinagpipilitan nila na, hindi, sinabi mo, you're assuming responsibility legal. Kaya sinasabi ni Presidente, if you cannot transfer criminal responsibility doon sa akin, eh siya kung pumatay, ba't ninyo isasama? Unless conspiracy is proven. Yun ang sinasabi nila, may conspiracy. Kaya nga, di ba, he has been daring, if you think I'm guilty, nakakonspire ako, why don't you file the case? But until now, nobody has filed the case. Simply because, kasi hindi naman totoo. Isa pa, hindi ba, kanina pinakita ron. Sabi ni Marvil, PNP chief, marami ang napatay na pulis. Marami ang injured. Hindi ba? That will prove to us na talagang maraming lumalaban. Otherwise, almost 1,000 mahigit ang napatay. O di ibig sabihin, marami naglalaban. Naghahanap sila ng baril. They were looking for a gun, di ba? Kasi daw, pag naglaban, kuminsan, common sense, talagang malayo. Halimbawa, ikaw, inaresto kita, wala kang baril, ako may hawak ng baril, inagawan mo ako ng baril, o di wala kang baril, pag nabaril kita, wala kang baril. Kumbaga, there are instances na talagang hindi ka makakakitingan. Yan ang pinupunto ko. Kaya yung sinasabi niyang personal yung guilt, tama po yun. Huwag mong pagpilitan. Sinasabi niya na nga, I assume demanda niyo ako. Yun ang ibig sabihin. Sapagkat yung isa pang duty niya, as president, you have to prosecute those erring policemen, and that's what he did. Kaya nga hindi ba sinasabi, how many policemen were dismissed? Ang dami-dami. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Kaya na-dismiss, yun nga sinasabi niya, kasi may kasalanan. Ibig sabihin, I am not tolerating the errant policeman. Kaya nga, na-dismiss eh. Ang iba naman nakakaso. O, yan po ang sinasabi niya. Hindi rin totoo na hindi niya binibigyan ng proteksyon. Yung pong mga taong yon, eh may mga abogado yon. Pau! Eh, ano pang tawag mo doon? Di binigyan mo ng abogado libre. O, yan ang ibig ko lang klaruhin sa inyo lahat.
So, hanggang anong oras kaya ni former president? Hanggang anong oras po kaya ni former president?
Eh, mukhang kaya-kaya pa.
Kaya po magpamorningan, Sek?
Oo, kaya-kaya. Tamukan kami hindi na kaya. Pagod na kami.
Kasi yun nga, sinasabi